What's up, everybody, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking this ARRMA Big Rock 3S truck out for a rip in the backyard. Hopefully we don't tear anything up. I'm pretty sure we're going to have a few ruts. This thing is a beast. It's fully stock. Only thing I have done was upgrade the shocks. I'll link the parts down in the description below if you're interested. And I also do still have the 20-tooth pinion in here. Other than that, everything else is bone stock. This here that you see is my GNSS speed meter analyzer that I will be using for this run today. And also going to be using these Liperiair 3S 6200 mAh battery. Claims I have 100 C output, so we're going to see how well it does. If you like this video, check them out at rcbattery.com. I'm going to test these out and see how it goes. This battery in here is the identical battery I just showed you. It is fully charged, ready to go. Very important in these big rocks setting setups, just make sure everything is out of the way, because you don't want your wires to get caught up in your drive shaft here, which I've had it done. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to power on the radio. Just make sure whatever aftermarket radio you're using, it is set to your model. We're going to turn it on. We're going to test the system, make sure everything works. Forward, reverse, very good. And basically I'm going to see what kind of run times I could get out of this Liperiair battery. This is one of their premium packs. Again, I will link all their information down below. All right, everything's powered on. We're going to go ahead and start the meter. I'm not going to really be focusing too hard on the speed runs today, but I do want to see how fast I can get to go out here. So I'm just going to hit start and let it run. Let's give it a little throttle, make sure it's picking it up. There we go. All right, let's just go out here and have some fun and see how long this battery lasts and how well this big rock's going to hold up. Nice and punchy. Don't look like it's tearing the grass up too bad. Oh yeah, she's ripping. Keep in mind, that's the 20-tooth pinion. Nice and punchy. Nice. Ooh yeah. Love how stable she is. I think I grabbed the stick there and she just spun around. Alright guys, let's get in some mud action. If you guys are curious, let me just go ahead and run it out there. Let's get a speed on here. Alright. Let's get her to come back. Okay, we are full throttle. Oh wow, she wheelied pretty much that whole round. But let's go ahead over here. Let's see what kind of speeds we got out of it. Okay, let's go ahead and hit stop. Read 36 miles an hour. Okay, okay. Let's see if we can beat that. Let's go ahead and hit start. Testing. Nice. All right, we'll go back out here. I am still curious how she does off-road. I'd have to go back to my other videos to see how fast it did on-road. It just wasn't hooking up as well at all, really. All right, full throttle. Yeah, I got to get out of it quite a bit, so I'll get it over here. Where'd she go? There she is. Get her way out there. She hooks up way better in the dirt, you know that. There we go. Full throttle. Whoa, man. Holy cow. Let's see what we got out of that run. Okay, let's see here. Let's hit stop. Read. 34 miles an hour. Okay. Let's just go ahead and just have some fun with it. I'm going to go ahead and hit start again. Okay. Now let's see here. I'll check the motor temps here in a little bit. Let's see what she does on a full throttle start. Not too bad, not too bad. Just love how stable this thing is. If she starts cogging real bad, then I'll bring her in and I'll check the temps. Oh man, did you hear them tires? Wow, man, this thing is boogieing, man. Oh man, these batteries here. If you guys remember my Z-Packs that I always run, I have never seen this thing so punchy. Wow. Very, very cool. See if we get some donuts going on here. Oh wow, super, super nice. The only thing I worry about with the Big Rock is the temps. Running at 20 speed off-road like this. But it's, what, 41 degrees out, I believe, right now. So I think we'll be okay as far as motor temps. See if I get some high-speed punches going on here. A little bit of cogging there, a little nice dirt action going on. It's not as soft out here as I thought it was. It might grip pretty good. Full throttle. Nice. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see here. Stop. Read. 38 miles an hour. Cool. We're getting up there. Let's go ahead and start. All right. Nice. God, I love this thing. Very stable. I mean, just like any other monster truck, or you know, you gun it through a corner, more than likely you're gonna flip over, like just like that. But at least I saved it and then have to do the walk of shame. I mean, wow. And this is all stock, guys. You know, this is, I mean, them shocks may be doing a little something for the suspension, but I really don't think it's doing that much. I don't feel a difference between these aftermarket shocks versus the stock ones. I think maybe we should get some a heat test on this thing. I didn't bring my heat gun. Like I said, I'm not too concerned about heat. But wow, man. Okay, she just cut out. And I want to say that is probably, I don't think that's low voltage. There's no way. How long have we been recording here? Looks like on the GoPro we're at 6 minutes and 32 seconds. I think it's a heat. I think she got hot and shut down like a thermal safety feature here. Let's see. Shake some of the debris out. Another thing I love about the Big Rock is it has these guards here to keep this off from getting all cruded up. Let's see, I'm just going to touch it. Oh, okay. Well, my hands are a little cold, but yeah, I think, check the ESC. ESC is not hot. Okay, maybe that would be the battery. Let's check the battery. Battery's fine. If I knew I was going to run into real heat issues, I would definitely just checking everything out. I would definitely brought my temp gun out, but everything's fine. I mean, I think it could be the battery. And also make sure if you guys are running in mud, just put a piece of electrical tape on your balance lead there, you know, just to keep the dirt from going in your connectors. May not, it's not going to waterproof it. Okay, let's go ahead and power it off here at the truck. Because no, it's not. She's just warm, not hot at all. But wow, she sure is punchy. Very nice. I could keep my hand on there for days. Okay, now we're back up. And I know that 20 tooth isn't helping. It's probably drawing that battery down. pretty well. I mean, you know, over 6 minutes, that's really not bad at all, to be honest. All right, we're back up top. That was a great run. I would have to guesstimate you can easily get 10 minutes of run time on this Liperiair battery, no problem. We checked the temps on the motor. As you can see, I could hold my fingers there the whole time. Battery, yeah, it's all good. But check this stuff out. What really surprises me about the Big Rock is, yeah, it's stable, but everything's still stock. And most units out there, you run them like this, they're gonna break something. I mean, I haven't broke anything. You saw the tumbles and everything, and I've also jumped this. I have videos out there of me jumping this thing. But yeah, looks like something got, no, that's part of this factory, I believe. Maybe not, I don't know. There's something was rubbing there. Nothing came loose at my battery. I don't have to check that out. Okay guys, so yeah, this is probably going to be it for this video. If you guys like the run times you saw and you want to go check out RC Lipo battery, or I'm sorry, rcbattery.com, go check them out. You've seen the performance there. There was no editing in the first 6 minutes. I just let the video go. I did, you know, switch to the GoPro at one time. Now I'm back here. So yeah, I mean, so far I am enjoying these batteries. I got many more battery tests to do on my other RC vehicles. So yeah, please guys, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about that giveaway I'm doing. I need 1,000 likes. I made the 1,000 subscribers, and I do appreciate everyone for that. So please go check out that video. I'll link it above in an iCard. I'll link it in a pinned comment, and I will link it in the description or something. So go check out that video. Let's see them likes, subscribes, and share that video out to your friends. Share this one out to your friends. Anyway guys, have a great day.